People think writing a blog about the RV lifestyle means planning for days, collecting travel tips, formatting sections, finding photos, adding SEOs. Well, now AI does all of that in one shot. I'll show you how. This right here is a complete RV lifestyle article. It has must have gear, routes, and even service stops that is already structured with images in places and FAQs added, infographics added, and it was all done in under 3 minutes. And let me show you how I did this using autoblogging.ai. After you log in, on your left panel, there are different modes like quick, wizard, single, bulk generate. I'm going to go with this wizard because this is where you can set every detail step by step without memorizing the setting. Article title, I'm going to type here RV Life Made Easy. Must have gear, route ideas, and service stops. Next, for the language, I'm going to keep it English, but there are 30 supported languages. Switch to Spanish, German, or Italian in seconds if your readers are global. For the article length, medium works here, detailed enough for travel tips and short enough for a quick reading. But here's what others do. Short is a quick update or gear list, and long is an in-depth travel guide or it is used for SEO-rich resources. Now, for the type of the article, I'm gonna pick a listicle here. So each gear, item, route, and service stops gets its own section. But here's what other formats do. Informative is best for a step-by-step guide. Places is a location-specific travel list, and service by landing pages is great for landing pages promoting RV rentals or services. Next, I'm going to pick second person here, so the blog speaks directly to the reader. But first person is more of a personal storytelling, and third person is more neutral and editorial tone. I'm gonna pick a conversational tone here because it is perfect for travel and lifestyle readers. But here's what other style do. Auto lets AI adjust based on the topic and tone. Less AI words is for more natural flow. Premium style 1 is for SEO formatting. Snippet Optimizer is for Google featured answers, and Witty gives a more fun and a casual energy, and Professional is more like a B2B type. So conversational. Here I'm going to tick on all the 4 boxes because this is like a magic to the blog. Intents Optimize article. It builds SEO ready structure with keywords focused heading. FAQs will insert real search questions people are Googling, and it will add in the end of your blog. AI images will add visuals of RV interior, maps, or campsite setups. An infographic creates a quick check visuals like packing list or route maps. SERP analysis. Now, it scans the top ranking RV blogs, identifies what works, and shapes your content to match. So I'll just enable this, and in the source context box, you can type how you want your article to be. And you can also select the location, like the country where you want to rank first. Here also I'm going to tick on all the 4 boxes. Outline from competition. It's proven for content flow that's already working on Google. External link will add credible sources link like RV forums or travel magazines. Key takeaways will add a quick short summary at the end of your blog, and YouTube videos will add relevant RV tour or a route guide videos, so the readers stay longer at the blog site. Next, AI proofreading. Now just enable this and quickly leave a note here, so it will clean up the grammar and keep the tone consistent. Next, internal linking. Now just enable this and paste your domain here. Autoblogging links to your other travel or lifestyle blogs which is already posted. So it boosts the SEO and keep readers engaged. Next, human proofreading. Now this is optional, but if you want a real person to fact check or fine tune brand tone, then just enable this and quickly leave a guideline here. For this you will require a human proof credits which is available in our dashboard. Now just hit on generate article, scroll down and click on the view like icon here. And your full blog is ready to publish with SEO structure, images, headlines, links, and FAQs already done. But if you want to be quicker next time, here's what you can do. Go to quick and single mode and just add your title here. With the fewer clicks, you can generate your article. It's just as same as Wizard, and you can also use a bulk generate option where you can create 10 or 100 blogs in one go and even auto post it to WordPress. On the road, every mile counts, and so does your time. With autoblocking.ai, you can turn RV lifestyle ideas into a published SEO optimized article before your coffee's done. So if you would rather be driving than writing, then try our Done For You blog service. And if this helped, hit like, subscribe for more AI blogging tips, and drop your next travel topic in the comment, and I would build that too.